The physical environment significantly influences human settlement in several ways. 1. Topography. Mountains, valleys, and plains affect where people choose to live. Flat areas are often more favorable for agriculture and infrastructure, while mountains can serve as natural barriers. 2. Climate. Temperature and precipitation patterns dictate agricultural practices, water availability, and overall livability. Harsh climates may limit settlement, while temperate regions can support larger populations. 3. Water sources. Proximity to rivers, lakes, and aquifers is crucial for drinking water, irrigation, and transportation, often leading to settlements forming around these resources. 4. Soil quality. Fertile soil supports agriculture, which can lead to permanent settlements. Poor soil may force communities to rely on trade or mobility. 5. Natural resources. Access to minerals, forests, and energy sources influences economic activities and can lead to the establishment of towns and cities. 6. Natural hazards. Areas prone to earthquakes, floods, or hurricanes may deter settlement or influence building practices and community resilience. 7. Biodiversity. Regions rich in flora and fauna can support diverse diets and livelihoods, impacting where communities thrive. These factors combine to shape not only where settlements are located but also their size, structure, and sustainability.